Welcome to ReviewXpo. In this video, we'll learn about how you can import reviews to ReviewXpo from other apps and the steps for importing reviews. Let's begin. First, you will need to export your product reviews and download the CSV file from your previous Review Solution app. As you can see, I have already downloaded the file from my previous app. Now, from the ReviewXpo dashboard menu bar, click on Import Reviews. Next, click on CSV file and scroll down to Import from Shopify supported apps. Here you can see a list of apps from which you can import your reviews to ReviewXpo. Click on the app you previously used and check the box if you want the imported reviews to be auto-published and/or auto-verified. Now you can use drag and drop method or select the exported file from your computer. Then click on Upload to start importing. You can check the import status on your import history by clicking on the Import Reviews drop-down and clicking on History. As we have imported the reviews, we can check them at the All Reviews option from the ReviewXpo dashboard. Here are the reviews. Now let's go to our product page. Here we go. You can see the reviews have been imported properly. Hope I've answered your problems. If you have any queries at all or need any help, feel free to say hi over the live chat and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching.